Good afternoon, Steve Perkins in West Texas. Been a while since I've been online. I've had some health issues, was in the hospital and a whole bunch of other things and kept me offline for a while. But I am here and I'm back and I've been doing some things. Even while I was hospitalized for over a month and recovering, I still was growing my list. And there's one way that I was doing that, and it was through a program that I use to help promote all of my main emphasis. My main emphasis is working with Live Good and some other things like that. But I need leads. When you're working online, you need leads. And I have produced with Live Good or with my Lead Gen Secrets over 6,000 new leads over the last several months, over the last year or so. And it wasn't until about 4 or 5 months ago that I actually saw the power and how to get going with my Lead Gen Secrets. And if you go to let me log in here. Okay, this is one of I have two accounts. Okay, I've got two accounts. I sent one of them, this is the smaller one. I just added it here a few months ago because I learned some things about how to make Live Good, or not Live Good, but my Lead Gen Secrets pay. I don't care if what you're promoting, whether it be like one of my main programs is Live Good, and I have some other funnels and some affiliate offers. And the thing about my Lead Gen Secret is a lot of people are not using it correctly. And so I want to kind of go over that a little bit and explain some things here. Now, this is one of my recent account I started back about 3 months ago or 4 months ago. And granted, during the time I was in hospital, I didn't have access to my computer and stuff, so I didn't send mails every day. But in the time that I've been there, I have collected. Let's see, when did I start here? I started back on April. I was hospitalized in June, first part of June, and got out about the middle of July. So anyway, during that time, I've continued to build a list. I'm beginning to get, in fact, let me see, I mailed already today, so I can't mail again. So right now, I have over 9,600 leads available to me in my Lead Gen Secret. What's it cost me? It cost me a penny a day. That's $30 a month. And I get 100 leads every single day. And with that 100 leads, I can mail once every 24 hours. I just mailed about an hour or so ago, so I can't mail for a while. But let me show you some of the results I'm getting. I'm getting 12%, 10%, 6%, 14, 18, 19. I'm getting clicks every single day. Now, the key to it is most people will tell you, and I've had people tell me this, well, I know how to send out emails. Well, maybe you do and maybe you don't. I'm not saying you don't. But the best advice I can give to anyone that would join my Lead Gen Secret, it costs you $30 a month. That's $1 a day. When you first join, there's a $30 admin fee, and then so it's $60 to get started. But every single day, you get 100 free leads. They're your leads. You can go over here. Let me go here. You can download those leads any day. You can go in and click on any list, and I don't want to give away my leads there, but they're your leads. You can promote them. You can download them. You can send them into your own autoresponder. But the best way to promote these leads is, the first thing is, go in here and learn the system. Watch this little 32-minute video. It will give you tips on how to make my Lead Gen Secrets leads more powerful for you. Now, if you're just going to copy and paste some of the affiliate offers that you're involved with here, just to make a sale straight up on this, it'll work, but it's going to take a lot of work. The best way I have found to use the My Lead Gen Secret leads is to put it, to offer in your email, your daily emails. Let me just pull one up here that I just sent out here. Where is it? There it is. Like, I just sent this out here a little while ago. All right, you're in. Are you ready to earn commissions easily? It's to go in and personalize a little bit. Capitalize some letter, highlight some letter, some wording, and then have a click where you can go to a capture page or an opt-in list to where you can opt in to some others. You can add your picture. It tells you all how to do that in this little 32-minute video. So if you watch the video and work on your email and personalize it, customize it, take it. They give you, when you join in as an affiliate, they give you, I think it's 10 different emails. You can take these emails and use them to print, but these emails promote My Lead Gen Secret. Put them in Chat GPT or something, or an AI program, and rewrite them and customize them. Customize them to your opt-in page. Customize them so that you can continue to follow up on a daily basis. Besides, you get to mail these every 24 hours. So if you want to capture your page for an offer that's hot for you, you need leads. Everybody needs leads. If you're promoting anything online, you need leads. So if you want to create leads that work, go to your, watch this little video, learn about it. Make yourself a student of writing emails. There's a lot of email training out there. This one comes with the system. So if you want to do, and I followed it, and it is some good things. You get paid. Let me show you what, this one is a new account. I haven't actually done anything, but you get paid 5 levels deep. Let me log out of this account. Let me show you my other account, my main account. Okay, in this account, in the system, I have 175,700 leads. Now, those leads I mail them daily. Of course, there was a time, and I did buy the master, and there's 30 emails in there that you can use. But I am getting only, most of the time it's 5 to 6% on that larger list. But I've learned how to write better headlines. I've learned how to write better, let's just go in here. This is a personal story about what this was actually a personal story about how I went to the hospital and I couldn't do anything, but yet I continued to get leads from my Lead Gen Secret emails. I sent out emails, and like I said, I couldn't use a computer in the hospital. And when they sent me to the rehab hospital, I did have a couple of times when I could pull out my laptop and actually work a little bit, and I didn't have much strength, but I could do a little bit and send a few emails out. But my list kept growing. I kept growing, and like I said, I've had in the last several months since I started doing it right, I've got one program. I've gotten over 6,000 hits that went to my capture page, went to my my page. And out of that, I actually had 87 opt into the list, and I've had 5 signups on that. And then on the other list, I've had over 1,000 leads added to the follow-ups, and I've had six signups. And so I'm not a master marketer, but this My Lead Gen Secret gives me the tools that I can use to, and it gives you things like recommended advertising to advertise to get more leads, to use your affiliates. This one I have several. I I have a downline. I have 15 affiliates, and I have 3 active members right now, upgraded members. But they continue to produce income, and you get paid all the way down. I've made many months, I have made more in the month than what it costs me to actually be a part of the program. So you get paid down 5 levels deep, and you can, and this in the last few months, I've added downline. It gives you promote tools, to how to promote it, emails that you can use, send out through different systems, through your own email list. It gives you little text ads, it gives you banner ads, it gives you everything you need to produce the income or produce the leads you need, produce the members you need. But for $30, that's $1 a day. I know I have spent hundreds of dollars just to send to a list of, say, 200 or 300 clicks for $150 one time. With this, it's $30, and like I said, on this list right alone, I can send out to 175,700 as of today. Tomorrow that'll be 175,900 because I'm getting 200 leads a day because I have some paid members in my thing. So if you want to get leads, you want to take a chance. It takes time. I mean, anything. When you're building a list, you don't expect everyone. When you buy a solo ad, say you buy 300 clicks or 500 clicks or 200 clicks, whatever, your return on that is maybe 1 or 2 might join or buy your product, depending on your product. But you have to send them with those solo ads. Most solo ad dealers will tell you need to have an enticing capture page. You need to have some way to capture that lead so it can go into your follow-ups. Most people do not join an offer the first time that they see the offer. They wait and see, and they want to see if you're going to be consistent. So the best way to make money with My Lead Gen Secrets is, number 1, have some place that you can direct in your emails each day to direct them to building your list, to your offer. If you want to use it for ClickBank, fine, or Warriors Plus, or JVZoo, or any of the other affiliate programs where you can make sales. But first, capture their lead. Make your emails exciting. Make your emails enticing, and send them every day. Like I said, when I was in the hospital for 25 plus days, I had people joining my list while I was in the hospital from emails I had sent weeks before. So people do open the emails. It may not be right away, but it can be. But go into My Lead Gen Secret. The links, I have some links to my accounts in the description of this video. Go take a look. Go check it out. In fact, the one that I use the most is, let me go here, and we'll just pop this up here. I'm going to close out this account, and I'm going to put that back up there. Paste. All right, this is the if you want to take a look at it, you can go and look at this page, read what it says, see what other people are doing, see what they're doing, how they're happening, see the tips. They give you some good tips on how to promote, how to use the program, and how to build your funnel so that you get more customers, more leads, more sales. That's all takes lead. And you split if you join My Lead Gen Secret, it's $30. That's $1 a day. And you'll end up with 3,000 leads in a month. That's basically a penny a piece. You sign up one person as an affiliate with you that is an upgraded member, and it's only going to cost you, you're going to end up with 200 leads a day, or it's going to cost you half a cent per lead for the month. And you can't buy leads for that anywhere else. Most people that are promoting, they're sending out to their list regularly every day. This, like I say, once a day you can email to this list. Your list grows daily. Your list can be, I have over 175,000 in one list. So take a look at the My Lead Gen Secret. I don't care which business you're growing. I don't care what businesses you want to do, what offer you're trying to promote. If you want to do affiliate marketing with, like I said, ClickBank or Warriors Plus or something like that, it's a simple process. Just put your leads out there, do it daily, do it every day, do it consistently, and you'll begin to see that. But go to that page and learn how to write your emails. You know, what would you say if a surgeon was going to operate on you that graduated from medical school as a surgeon 20 years ago, was never taken any refresher courses, never updated on the techniques that are used today? Would you be confident in that type of person? Well, the same thing goes with no matter what business you're in. If you're going to be sending emails to a list on a daily basis, why not improve your skills? Find other mentors, find other people that can help you do more and write more effective emails to build your list. I'm showing, I've got over in the last 4 months, I've gained over 6,000 leads on my personal list just from writing better emails. And I'm still got a long ways to go. But do what you can, become the best that you can, and keep working on your email skills. And My Lead Gen Secret can get you there. Again, the link to join the My Lead Gen Secret is in the description of this, as well as some other helpful funnels and useful tools that I use. And I thank you for watching. Please, if you're not a subscriber of this channel, please subscribe, like, and comment on this video. I would be more than happy to welcome your comments. Thank you for watching. This has been Steve Perkins in West Texas. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you later.